In Key Vault, so if you select the role-based access control, so we need to give the permissions. Okay. So here we need to give one role. The role is Key Vault administrator. Okay, Key Vault administrator. For example, if you select the role back, if you are trying to store any sensitive information, right? So it's going to restrict you. So for this reason, we need to select the role as a Key Vault administrator and select the member as your name. Okay, just click on next and click on review assign. Okay, here there is a one role will be created. After the role creation, go and select the secrets. So here we can store your sensitive information into the key one. For example, I want to store the MySQL connection string, right? So I can store the MySQL connection string information into the keyword. Just copy it and paste those information into the keyword. Okay, like the way you need to store the entire sensitive information into the keyword.